Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back and thanks for your continued love and support. Today I'm making quick and easy skillet potatoes or pan-fried potatoes. I boil them in salt water until the potatoes are fork tender. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they cook. Once cooked, I place the potatoes in a heated pan or skillet. I pan fry the potatoes in extra virgin olive oil. I start with 2 to 3 tablespoons but add more as needed while cooking. I season the potatoes with garlic powder, paprika and mixed herbs, but feel free to use your preferred spice combination. I mix gently and add more oil as needed. Once the spices are well spread out, I let the potatoes cook without much mixing. I occasionally shake the pan and gently turn the potatoes. This gives the potatoes that beautiful charred finish. My kids like them on the softer side, so I'll stop here, but if you like yours on the crispier side, keep cooking until you achieve your preferred level of doneness. A cast iron skillet will give you better results, especially if you prefer a slightly crispy finish. These make the perfect snack or addition to your breakfast menu. It goes well with sauce and it can be served as a side or main dish with your favorite accompaniment. Despite their simplicity, these taste great. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you all in my next video.